back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. So if you saw my thumbnail and the title, you know that today I have my winter 2019 FabFitFun add-ons. And yes, I do have a mystery bag as well. So help me. No, I'm actually very excited. I got some amazing deals on some amazing products and I wanted to share with you guys. I got some really awesome Christmas gifts. I cannot talk. I apologize. Woo. So yeah, I'm super stoked. This was probably my favorite add-on ever. Along with this actually probably being my favorite box ever. They killed it for winter 2019. FabFitFun knocked it out the park in all aspects. So I guess we'll just get started. Massive box. All right. So there's one thing here, which y'all know I get every single time I do add-ons, and that's a sponge gel because I love these. Now this one I have not tried this scent, and that is Moonflower. And let's see. Ooh. That smells good. Yes, please and thank you. So I'm excited about that because that smells so good. Okay. And then I got, this is one thing, believe it or not, I did not have, and that's like color correcting stuff, like a little palette or even just loose individual color correcting shades. So they had the Tarte Color Your World Double Duty Beauty color correcting palette. So I got that. There you can see all the different shades for your different color correcting needs. All right, now this I am interested in trying. Now I actually got this free. It's a tea tree triple treat invigorating shampoo. So I am excited to try this. Like I said, this was a bonus goodie. So there's that. And then, well, I just pulled it out of the bubble wrap, but it is this cute little coffee cup here that says Slothy with a cute little sloth. Isn't it adorable? And y'all know that I love coffee and I love sloths, and that was just how y'all know that's cute. All right. Now, some of this stuff kind of goes together because I bought some bundles. So let me get that too much. We'll start like this. So, like I said, I got some Christmas presents, got some Christmas shopping done with the add-ons. Now, one thing I got was a gift for my nieces, and I was so excited because I saw this bundle and I thought it was adorable and would be perfect. And I was able to I ended up being able to get 3. So I was able to get 1 for each of them. So it includes, I won't show you like all 3, but it includes this super gorgeous plush blanket here, white with cactuses all over it, which I think each of them will love. So let me actually get 3 of those out. So that was part of the set. And then also in the set was this little 3-pack of the animals sheet masks. So there's the polar bear, there's a moose, and I want to say it was like a seal or something. I honestly don't remember, and I don't want to open them up because they are Christmas presents, but those go with the blankets. And then the final item for each of them, which I thought was perfect, because if you have a kid, boy or girl, nowadays, you know that they go crazy over tech stuff. So they had, this was the third item in the little bundle. And you can see it says, "Take me away." But it has a phone or tablet stand, 3-in-1 charger, so for different devices, earbuds, and the wall charger. And then it all comes in this cute little rose gold "Take Me Away" pouch. So I thought that would just be perfect because they're all either on their phones or tablets. So I like the fact that the charger was a 3-in-1, so it can fit iPhone, Android, or even like newer iPhones. So yay. So hopefully they'll be happy with that little bundle. Then I got the Ahava Leave On Dead Sea Mud Dermud Intensive Foot Cream. I got this. I actually got this for my dad for Christmas because he has really dry feet. Sorry, Dad, I just put all your business out there. Then I have never tried this, and I'm a sucker for setting sprays, and I've wanted to try this, but this is the Milk Makeup Blur Spray. So let's see if I can actually open it. So here is the actual product. I do kind of want to see. We'll just try it, right? Well, you only need like 2 squirts because it comes out. I mean, it is kind of a fine mist, not quite, it's not the finest mist I've had in a setting spray, but it is kind of a fine mist, but it's huge. Like it, you only need 2 squirts. All right, and then I got 2 of these. These are the Busy Beauty Instant Fresh Body Wipes with lavender and tea tree. There's 10 in each. Got one for me and one for my mom because we like these because, you know, let's be honest. I realize that yes, it is winter time, so we won't be having this issue, but boob sweat, I'm just gonna put it out there. It's a thing. So then I got the R&Co, is it Vicious? Stronghold Flexible Hairspray. I'm not sure, is Vicious the right? I don't know, but I got that. Love a good hairspray. And speaking of hair, I got, and I actually wanted, I should have gotten this in a past FabFitFun, but I didn't. But it's the Orbe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. First of all, I just think the packaging is so pretty. I do want to spray it, even though I'm not going to be spraying it on my hair because I want to smell it, because any other Orbe product I have smelled, it smells fantastic. It smells so good. So I got that. And then I picked up 2 of these, again, one for me and one for my mom. The Green Goo Plants with Purpose Pain Relief. This is Arnica, Ginger, and Peppermint. And it says, oh, it looks like it also has cinnamon. But if you've been following me, you know I have rheumatoid arthritis, fibromyalgia, and different autoimmune issues. So I generally hurt 99.9% of the time. No, I hurt all of the time. It's just sometimes it's worse than others. But anyway, I just wanted to try something different, and my mom has the same stuff, so I figured I'd get one for her as well, for her to try, because I tell you what, we will try anything. And then final item here in the box, I guess technically, well, I mean, yeah, it was an add-on, but it was the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. This was actually one of the options you could customize, but I selected 2 from that same category. So I guess they threw this one in the add-on box. I think the packaging looks cute. I've actually never tried any of their products, so I'm excited to try this. There is not a mirror. doesn't smell like pudding. But I just think that these are such pretty everyday shades, and they are like right up my alley. So I'm excited to give this a try, and we have a good mix of mattes and shimmers. So I'm excited about that. And that is everything except my mystery bag. So I have it pulled out over here. Are y'all ready? I don't know if I am. We've had really good and really bad. So let's see what happens. So here it is. Get into it. All right. So we have from PedEgg Bare Nails. Let's see, we have a callus remover, shine roller, smooth roller, natural shiny nails, no polish, no chemicals. It's cordless. Okay. I mean, I'm not like, yay about this, because I mean, I can get my nails done, but maybe I'll find someone to give this to or something. I don't know. I'm not mad at it. It's not like horrible. It's not compression socks. But I don't know. We'll see. And then, oh, this is kind of heavy. Cali Ooey. I don't know if I'm even saying that correctly. Smooth as butter, body butter, and brown sugar. Ooh. Ooh, brown sugar. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly because what looks like would be the O's look like coffee beans, kind of. So I'm a little confused. But brown sugar, there's a safety seal. Oh. Oh, y'all, that smells so good. And it's not as thick as I thought it would be for a body butter. And I actually prefer body butters like that are a body butter, but they're not like, you know, where you're spending 10 minutes trying to rub it in. Y'all know what I'm talking about. All right, and then, oh, I've had this before. I love this. This is from Elemis. It is the Papaya Enzyme Peel Enzymatic Cream Exfoliator. I am super pumped about this. I'm so excited about this. All right, and we have one more item. And this is a necklace. 8 Other Reasons. Hold on, it's like, it's, I think it got jostled around in shipping. It's not, I don't think this is how it's supposed to. Ah, yes. Okay, so I can already tell this is actually very pretty. So this is what it looks like. So it comes down, hangs down like that, layered looking, and then it is adjustable. It's actually quite a bit adjustable. I really like that. I think that is so pretty. I really, really like it. Like, that's so pretty. I like the layered look. And I like that it's really like super adjustable, so you can have it, you know, sitting in different places. So the necklace, the Elemis peel, this really awesome body butter, and the petty bare nail thing. I'm very, very happy with this mystery bundle. The petty thing, I'm like, eh, but the other 3 items, I'm like, yes, yes, and yes. So, awesome. What'd you guys think? Let me know what kind of add-ons you picked up. Did you get a mystery bundle? If you did, what'd you get? Let me know. I do have another mystery bundle on the way. So whenever that comes in, let me know down below if you would like a quick little video of just that mystery bundle. Or not. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.